Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After breaking out a big long-term channel, Bitcoin has also broken out another falling wedge pattern and a rising wedge pattern as well. Right now, the Bitcoin has reached the resistance of a very big Ichimoku weekly cloud, and in today's video, I want to discuss this move with you. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this pattern, this falling wedge that I was showing you in my last video as well, and the price line broke out this wedge on the hourly time frame chart, by the way. And after breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge, it formed another wedge pattern and broke out the resistance of the next wedge as well. Right now, the price line is moving at $43,616, and our target for this falling wedge can be here at the top of this falling wedge. That will be approximately here at $45,800. Now, as you know that we have already broken out a very big resistance of a very long-term channel, and the formation of this channel was started here at the end of October and broke out here on 4th of Feb. And the target for this down channel will be approximately here at $68,800. That is the top of this channel. But so far, we are not able to break out this resistance of $44,000. And this resistance has been breaking previously as a nice resistance and support as well. Therefore, breaking out this resistance of 44,000 is very important. And after that, we can expect that the price line can reach this target. Now, let's take a look at the weekly time frame, and here I have again placed the Ichimoku cloud. If you remember my last video that I shared almost 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was telling you that whenever the price line breaks down the Ichimoku cloud completely, then it enters a super buying zone. And this was the video, by the way, when I told you that this is the history's biggest buying signal flashing on the Bitcoin charts. And we can see when I shared my last video, the price line was moving here, exactly here. And you can see that the price line is now almost 40% up. And I was telling you that whenever the price line moves below this level, this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame, then it enters the super buying zone. Then we need to find a entry for Bitcoin. Here we found an entry that the price line broke out a very big channel. That is the first entry. And the second entry can be once we will be completely above this Ichimoku cloud. Like previous attempt we had here when we rallied up to $45,800 in the last week, but could not close above this Ichimoku cloud and move down back inside this cloud. Again, we are moving up. You can watch the value of the Ichimoku cloud, by the way, here. Then you can see right now the value is $43,338, and we are moving slightly above this Ichimoku cloud. We are at $43,563. Now, if I place a trend line here, exactly where we have the Ichimoku cloud at 4338. Let me just set the value exactly where we have 43338. And now let's move to the hourly time frame chart from here. Then we can see that on the hourly time frame, we are having a nice accumulation above this level. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we are still above this level. And if we switch to the daily time frame, then we are crossing this level and we are not having any closing, even though we had a closing here, but we could not hold this support and move down back. So once we will have, I will be looking for the closing on the weekly time frame. Once we will have a closing above the weekly time frame, above this resistance of weekly Ichimoku cloud, then we can expect that we will have a very strong support of Ichimoku cloud. And like we had previous rallies, you can see very big rallies, very big rallies after breaking out this cloud. We can expect such rally once again. So this will be a very big development. Right now, if we take a look at this lagging span of Ichimoku cloud, that is also bounced, and it is likely to cross up soon the price line. So far, it is moving under the price line. Once it will be able to cross up the price line, that will be another bullish signal. And the final bullish signal can be once we will receive a bull cross between the conversion and the baseline. Like this blue line of Ichimoku cloud will cross up this red line, that will be another buying signal. However, I'll be looking for to have a support of this Ichimoku cloud once again, and once we will have a closing above this Ichimoku cloud, then we can expect that there will be a really very high probability for a very massive rally from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.